Hey everyone, welcome back to Traveller Expedition Explorers. Today I'm super excited to share with you a fantastic 3-day itinerary for your trip to London, featuring magical experiences, royal sights and iconic landmarks. Let's dive in. Day 1. Harry Potter Warner Brothers Studio Tour. Day 1 kicks off with a visit to the magical world of Harry Potter at the Warner Brothers Studio Tour. Get ready to step behind the scenes and explore the sets, props and costumes from the films. Don't miss the Great Hall, Diagon Alley and even the Hogwarts Express. Make sure to book your tickets in advance to avoid long lines. You'll want to spend at least 3 to 4 hours here, so plan accordingly. After immersing yourself in the wizarding world, grab a bite at the Studio Cafe, then head back to central London for a relaxing evening. Consider a stroll along the River Thames or a cosy dinner in Covent Garden. Day 2. Tower of London and Buckingham Palace. On Day 2, start your morning at the historic Tower of London. Explore the medieval fortress, learn about its fascinating history, and of course see the crown jewels. These stunning pieces are a must-see and will leave you in awe. After your visit, take a short walk to Buckingham Palace. Here you can enjoy the changing of the guard ceremony if the schedule allows. For a deeper experience, consider booking a tour of the staterooms, which are open to the public during the summer months. You'll get a glimpse into the royal lifestyle and stunning architecture. On your final day, it's time to explore London at your own pace with the City Sightseeing Hop-on Hop-off bus tour. This is a fantastic way to see all the major attractions without the hassle of public transport. With multiple routes and stops, you can hop off at places like the British Museum, the London Eye, or even St. Paul's Cathedral. Take your time to explore each site, snap some photos and enjoy the vibrant atmosphere of the city. Don't forget to grab a seat on the upper deck for the best views. And if you're feeling adventurous, consider taking a river cruise along the Thames for a different perspective of the city. And that wraps up our 3-day London itinerary. From the magic of Harry Potter to the history of the Tower of London and the grandeur of Buckingham Palace, you're sure to have an unforgettable experience. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that notification bell for more travel tips. What's your favourite London attraction? Let me know in the comments below. Safe travels and see you next time.